children. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you. Today we shall learn some Hindi words, Hindi letters. आज हम हिंदी अक्षरमाला के बारे में जानकारी लेंगे. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿವೆ? ಸ್ವರ್ 13 letters and ವ್ಯಂಜನ್ 37 letters. Okay, so what are the first letters that we got to learn? ಸ್ವರಾಕ್ಷರಗಳು ಯಾವುವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಅ ಆ, ಇ ಈ, ಉ ಊ, ಋ ಎ ಐ ಓ ಔ ಅಂ ಅಹ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವರಾಕ್ಷರಗಳು. ದೆನ್ ವ್ಯಂಜನಾಕ್ಷರ ಕ ಖ ಗ ಘ ङ ಚ ಛ ಜ ಝ ಞ ಟ ಠ ಡ ಡ ಣ ತ ಥ ದ ಧ ನ ಪ ಫ ಬ ಭ ಮ ಯ ರ ಲ ವ ಶ ಶ ಸ ಹ ಕ್ಷ ತ್ರ ಜ್ಞ ಶ. So these are the letters that we are practicing. Okay, now let us see what is the first letter. It is A. So how to write A? You have already practiced. See, A should be written like this. And A. A plus A ki matra gives you A. Okay. Next we shall see what is the next letter. E. Now once more, A say anar. Anar means pomegranate. A say amar. A say ajgar. A say anaj. And A say mango. Okay, you see the mango in this picture, mango. Or the other words which we can begin with letter A are aaj, awaz, adar. A say aaj, awaz and adar. Okay, now let us see to the next letter. It is E. E say ಇಂಬ್ಲಿ. ಇಂಬ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹುಳಿ ಹುಳಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಬ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹುಣಸೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಮರಿಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇ? ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದಿಸ್. E. Okay, and then how to write letter E we have seen. So what are the words that we can learn? E say imli, E say imarat, E say aina, and E say ilaichi. Imarat, aina. Here in aina, letter E comes in between. Okay, and ilaichi. Now next is E. How to write letter E? Look at this. E. Okay, E say eek, sugar cane. ಯುಗಾದಿ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್ ತಿಂತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಮಕರ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೂ ತಿಂತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್, ಈದ್, ಭಾಯಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಶ್ವರ್. ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಭಗವಾನ್, ಭಾಯಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರದರ್, and Eid. Eid is a festival of our Muslim brethren. Okay, next we shall see U. ಸೇ ಹುಲ್ಲು. ಹುಲ್ಲು ಕಪಟ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬೈಯುವುದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ. ಹುಲ್ಲು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಔಲ್, ಗೂಬೆ. So everybody in Kannada, they will, if they want to scold you, hey goobe, like that they will say. Or in Hindi, hey ullu kapatta, like this they will scold. Or what are you acting like an owl anta English allu baikobodu. Okay, so let us learn good things. So ullu means owl, goobe. Okay, so how to write u? This is the way to write u. And other words beginning with u are upchar and uphar and umang. Okay, next is oo. So from here we learn to read the word oon. Oon means wool. Okay, how to write oo? First you write like 3 and then draw a line like this, curve. Ooh. Okay, all right. Upar and kamau and ugam. So these are the words that we learn through oo. Okay, next let us move to ru. Rushi. How to write this ru? See, first you draw a line, straight line. Okay, and then you write at the left hand side like this, and at the right hand side this way, and draw a line. Okay children, this is ru, and ru say rushi. Okay, let us move to next letter A. Ankle, ad. How to write A? Okay, next is I, the letter I. Let's see how to write this. Draw a small straight line, then curve and this way, and then kadi you have to give for I. Ainak. Ainak means spectacles. Okay, the other words are Aisa and Aikta, Aib. Okay children, next is O. Okay, now it's easy. See here, first you write a, and then A ki matra, I ki matra. Okay, it becomes O. O say Oakley. This must be there in your house. Your grandmother uses. Yes. Okay, then you have ow. Ow is also similar. Yes. Okay, then let us move on to ow say aurat, means woman, and say angur. How to write Okay, good. Next is look at this. First
Your phone's in flight mode, so I can't help you with that at the moment.
aha. Okay, aha say you don't have any letters, any words coming from aha, but they can be used. Next, let us move on to this Vyanjan Akshar. Ka se kamal. How to write ka? See here, first a curve, then a straight line, then like this. Ka. And then ka se kabutar, ka se kachwa, and ka se kaksha. Kabutar means pigeon, parivala. Kamal, tavre, lotus. Kachwa means tortoise. Ame, kaksha means classroom. Okay. Next, kha. How to write kha? First you write the curve of kha, then come down this way. Okay, this is kha. Or else you can also write this way. This way also it can be written kha. Kha se khargosh, rabbit. Okay. Next is ga. Ga se ghada. This is another gali. Vaikalike inond word. Okay, ghada, donkey. You are a donkey. If you want to say someone you are a donkey, you can say ghada. Okay. How to write ga? Okay, then let us see the next letter. It's gha, ghadi. Ghadi. Have you heard in the TV ad that comes about ghadi detergent? Okay, let us see how to write this ga. Okay, gha se ghadi. Next, nya. There are no words with this letter, but still let us learn to write it. First you write this way and keep a dot. Next is cha. Cha. Next is cha. So here you have to be little careful. See? You have to draw the line only at the top, not for the full letter. Next, ja. First, you write like this and then draw a line. Ja. Ja. Next, Jharna means spring. Let us see next letter. Nya. There are no words coming from this letter. Let us learn. Okay, or else you can write this way also. Next is ta. Ta se tomato, tomato. In Hindi we say tomato. Ta. Next is tha. Tha se thappa, seal, rubber stamp. And da. Da. Okay, next is dha. Next, ಢಕ್ಕನ್, ಢಕ್ಕನ್, ಲಿಡ್, ಮುಚ್ಚಳಿಕೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ವೆಸಲನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮುಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಲಿಡ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. So ढक्कन. ना 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 से भांड. भांड. Arrow. Okay. Then we have to study these many letters. Okay, remaining letters I will continue in the next session. Okay children, so till this page please complete your textbook and also practice it in your 4-line book so that you don't forget what you learned. Enjoy your Hindi classes. हम हिंदी पढ़ेंगे क्योंकि हिंदी हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा है. Okay children.